Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the camera and selecting cinematic mode. This engages depth-aware capture immediately. Make sure you set resolution in settings. Choose 4K for delivery or 1080p to save space. Position yourself or the subject and stabilize the phone with a tripod or secure handhold, because cinematic mode relies on consistent framing to predict focus transitions. Once done, tap to set initial focus and exposure. You're ready to record with depth controls active. You control focus by tapping the subject. Hold to lock AE/AF so exposure stays steady during motion. Then use the depth slider to dial background blur. More blur isolates your subject, less keeps context. Move slowly to make the camera predict focus shifts. Abrupt moves confuse the system. If you prefer precision, switch to manual focus for fine adjustments, or plan to refine focal points later in photos. Cinematic mode saves focus metadata for post-editing. You record with smooth, deliberate camera moves. Slow pans and steady push-ins create natural focal pulls. After recording, open the clip in Photos to tap and change focus points, and tweak the depth slider frame by frame for precise rack focus. If the camera misplaces focus, increase subject distance slightly or add more light. Cinematic mode struggles in very low light or extreme close-ups. Finally, export in chosen resolution and review for any last tweaks before sharing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.